Foundations time. This week we're going to be practicing the O sounds. So let me show you some sounds that we're going to be using. We will be doing O-A, boat, O. O-E, toe, O. O-W, snow, O. Now just a note, the O-W can make two sounds. It can make an O sound and an ow sound like a plow. But this week we're going to be practicing O-W, snow, O, so that all three of our sounds, O-A, O-E, and O-W, are all saying the O sound. Okay, let's look at some words that would have this pattern in it. O-A, like the words road, boat, boat. Then we might have O-E, like toe, and doe, where you hear just two sounds, d-o, t-o, do, a-do, a-dee. All right, and then the next sound, the O-W, like gur, own, and how about snow? So there are the three O sounds that you will be practicing this week. We call these double vowels because you have two letters that are both vowels making that sound together. You can also look at this where we say, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So whenever you have two vowels, it makes the first sound O. Here we have two vowels, O. Okay, so there are your sounds that you will be practicing. When you are practicing those sounds this week, you're going to be doing them in your packet. I also want you to practice your new trick words for this week. This week, here are words: Tuesday, tomorrow, Monday, lose, cousin, and beautiful. And then the activity that I'm going to ask you to do is record your story again. I think that's my favorite. I love hearing you guys read. So the story that goes along with it that I want you to practice reading fluently and then record and send to me is called Kelly's Speed Quiz. You know which story it is because you're practicing Unit 13, and up here in the corner it says Unit 13. So there are the sounds that you're going to practice, and then when you get all of this done, then you are all done with Foundations for second grade. Awesome job! Keep up the good work!